Chinsa nigo chiaragire Ikomi chiabona mugorobo mwancho murigereria kerokoro kwegena kwa nebu na kwa bero gukwego kia kubwatia mirobero yonsi gataseni kiga kya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii ne chinga chingia kerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanye una narayana kwariganirie asenchira ere yobwenge nyoro na sensemo ya Facebook na boko gendera gotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asumutanda Twitter na boko twetra @Ndizi TV News eliotogendera gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke. Okwargani tobeto osangamo boika omwerio orito kubwatrana nere asensemo yechibichanerio gini gakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na nchiretariane Everlyne Osero kabana ntwika omwerio tuko ya chaka bene korwase county ya Nyamira awase abamenyi ababwatire no bororobo nene babete bagusagana na gusamba chinyomba angeitsana na isato asensemo ya Misambi sub county ya Nyamira North asikireke gotebekana buna nigo omusacho yomo betega kubeta umusanio ye umuyu na gose kumubeta asebarenge konywa amarwa nonyana boni gonya gosiro yo asereta David Othiambo w'imyaka 20 nene abeta kumyekiwa gochi asenya getari ero kwerwanira kurenda akabaka gosiria obogima bwaye negekore kyabage kwenekiwa no gose no munya omukomanda bw'abanyanyimbo asenseme yo Nyamira North Elizabeth Wakuloba oyote babuna nigo bachakire obotkiwe kegima elio komanya ekerenge kenene gyoko betwa omoyo kwa nyagosira nonyana bonigo abamenye ko rwa senseme yo babere bakomochia ensemo yo burendi askira watona nigo batararwa obokoreri oboikiranu anene ase owanchira oboengi naboigo obonia bwa rwa senseme yo obuboireire abasabange wesonania no busari bwechingenjo ao.
Tulipata ripoti ya kwamba kuna vijana wawili walikuwa wamekosana wakikuwa sehemu ambao walikuwa wanakunywa pombe na mmoja akaweza kudunga mwingine kisu on the chest. Akapelekwa hospitali Nyamira Referral Hospital na that happened on the night of 15th at around 10 p.m. na akapelekwa hospitali lakini unfortunately he succumbed to the injuries. So out of what happened, members of the public retaliated by burning the home where the fight arose. So as the police we are doing the investigations na ile request naweza kuwa nayo kama mkuu wa kitengo cha polisi ya Nyamira North ni kwamba tunaomba raia tunawaomba ya kwamba wasichukulie sheria mikononi mwao.
Naba wakiri korwase county ya Kisii nigo bagendretewe sokya na kwemurunganeria okobao komo land registrar Charles Ayenda oyeba gotebana niga beirega kubwatiraniwa na mungana yobokurumi ekero are ase abisi naritkolia rero nigo babawe sokya na gokora okurobekana ase okugania kwa Ayenda korwabisi na tana goika arwabisi erio bokoreri korongeiwa ase ensemeyo nigo bamumochire asogotana nigo akogenda mamincha nerichiko ryobokoreri asensemo y'abawakili
Nabora eborie nga Ayenda ningo Ayenda no mukimbizi bwa serikali otamete gasi kurugaria Nyahururu asa sereti ukoru akaminyoka gochaga igabosongo elindaje kweba charoro oikirega igabosongo ochakire kobeka amachiko are beyond lichiko litiganeri services chitogani konyora igabosongo tichiri konyore kana sobo raisi esababu Ayenda niga korire obisi ye igabuna mwaye igonki twacha gokoraga rero itwacha kumoinyoria nga Ayenda goikokoreki goikogende ncherendete yokokora goikokoreki ogende.
The public may not understand our grievances as we come here today. They may not really get the gist why we are here. Some may think they are not advocates, they do not have lands in Kisii, and that's why they might not join us. But the other week, just this last week, when I was in court, there was an advocate from Nairobi who was trying to charge a property here in Kisii on behalf of his client. That client of his is a cancer patient in hospital in India. trying to charge that property so that they can get money to facilitate a medication in India. Whereas Ayenda is insisting that that patient must come from wherever she is so that Ayenda can see him, so that that charge can be registered. You can imagine the injustice Ayenda is causing to people.
Na manke abire kagokorekana korwa serikali chechi county chiabete chigo chakiwa emyaka 10 yetre kurengana bananchi nigo bagenderete kubwatuka ibirengerero byabo kubwatukana nara yali babire bakorora abire gakoreta amonchorero asensemo yamagenderero omonchorero yomo yoro munyene omobogano Camel Park nigabeire gakwerera egati yamagenderero ali abeire gakorora asekeri ateire buna serikali chechi county mbuya chiabete chigo cha egekogera Kenya bange nigo babeire bagokonyeka anana sogwikera obokoreri asenchira ere yobwororo
obuya bwa devolution ase myaka 10 yaithire kiserikali che county cha reformed twanyarije korora magenderero hali turakwanire tutarenganie amatuka magega twanyarije korora emirimo ke gotoka ase Chinsa itali kintu tukanu unakwenda kuriye mirimo are twanyarire korora n'amagenderero y'ekipara kikuyoka twanyarire korora ekistima kiko muswa gocha emechie asobwange twarole kiskuru kiko agachwa ebintu twegokeirie devolution korwe chaka emyaka 10 goikira bono ne binge totanyale ko regret nkitiagerete devolution yegacha ntuwate oborai yawo twali gutunyare lakini bono twanyale kobonyora angena setole chiobisya serikali cheichirange na setole bokorera imbo iyo bono bogotosumbua gotara isabari kintambe togenda kuburiare nemeremo yatokira sobwange
Mwancho murgereri inyora bunaya nigagocha ekerabona musangirekano omonene bwo kumurekera obokoreri buria bwabeire bokorekana ase county asegeka kimyaka 10 aobeire gokorekana imeye county ya Uasin Gishu tokotikana nayo muraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigagendrete kuboria basae wetoma erio gokonyeka ase amatukare bosyo okwana chingekekirana asomuyega bwo kobekerwa chigutwa abasae babere bakonyora maigero yobobundi asensemo ya jiajiri meya Kasarani omucho Nairobi Ruto baigondi gaine kyabuna eserikali negendrete kobeka emeroberio yowetoma erio gochaki emeroberio au korabuna basae babere bagokonyeka asokonyora emirimo egati ya magendro anda mange meyense ya Kenya.
Kae tu nyumbani hapo ati unangojea ati itafika nyumbani, haiwezi, jitume. So vile nyinyi mnajituma na sisi kama serikali tutajituma to create opportunities for you in housing, to create opportunities for you in county aggregation industrial park, to create opportunities for you in the digital space, digital jobs, to create opportunities for you in our special economic zones and export promotion zones. That is what we are doing as government, and we want you to equally build in so that these opportunities are available. We must have a plan on how to create jobs. We cannot continue to imagine that just growing the economy will just grow jobs on its own. No, we have to know which sectors of the economy are we going to grow how many jobs. We must with clarity know where are we creating these opportunities. And that is why we are doing everything we are doing. Around Continental Free Trade Area, the negotiations we are having with the EU, the president of Germany was here. He's asking us for skilled labor to work in Germany, to work in other places. We need to develop those skills.
Kokwana somo yobo nigo mwaziri wechsemi Ezekiel Machogu abakagotogia egatiemiro yabere kego chakiwane serikali ya Kenya kwanza eyo atebire mono nigo erachie gokonya abasae ase okoenyorera emeremo na gusira uchumi yense ya Kenya nigatebabuna abange nigo barachi gokonyeka ase nsemo yemeremo ni sector au na kweneke buna nigo barachi kubwatrana nababwatani korwa chinsemo au kweneke abuna ngosira bare
Your Excellency, we want to give assurance that for the 6-9 months that these young people have been in our technical TVET institutions, they have actually acquired the necessary required skills and competencies, and they are now ready to go and serve the country in the various sectors of the economy. Your Excellency, these people here are passionate, they are committed, and we also thank you because of the kind of programs that your government, your administration has been able to provide, because again, there is the housing program and the building and the construction courses that they have undergone will work out miracles in that particular program, which requires the kind of technical skills that they have acquired. You have also started industrial parks where some of them will be able to participate in value addition, agro-processing. You have also started quite a number of other programs which these people will be able to fit in, Your Excellency, and we want to assure you as a means of education that we will be able to partner with the KCP, Chair said, and all the other partners to make sure that we take technical.
Gukora kurwase omoyego yomurai wense boigon gabaga kumerana no moseneta wense ya America Chris Coons ase nyumba y'obrai ya State House imeyo mucho Nairobi eriogo kwanera amangana au ayarengete ogotingia obwamate eriogo kinya na boigo kwenana amabaga ase ensemo yobonchorera egati ye Chinsa chibere amangana yogonchorera kwerire na boigo negati aria babere bagokwanera natano ningo barachi kobwaterana eriogo kora emechando au eyo yaberege koenekiwa gati ye Chinsa chibere no moyega boigo somurobero bagogo ikiranwa na barai au gati yabo omuambassador wense ya America May Whitman na boigo omuwaziri wa mangana ye Chinsa Chesco Dr. Alfred Mutua egati yabande. Ekiombe gekorigereria chimbwa na boigo koruwania obokurumime yense ya Kenya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC nigo kiaganirie kwewa chinguru kobabwata na boigo gotenera amamocho yobokurumi okwana imeye county ya Mombasa ase omusangirekano bw'abakarani omunyakerogo bw'ekiombe kyo kya EACC Bishop David Oginde nigo aerera abariki amangana buna ebina byabere bigo ichorana na boigo ebinde koire ase okogayanwa eyo yabeire omweso ase abakurumya bange nabono nigo baganire kwewa chinguru na boigo obobwi koimokia ebitambukiro byogokonya kurwanya mangano yobokurumi imense ya Kenya.
Corruption cases, especially the big ones, that drag on for 10 years, 15 years, some even 20 years. By that time, these people have already enjoyed the benefit of what they stole. Those who are going into leadership positions have already served their terms and retired. So we are lobbying so that we can get these kinds of cases heard and determined within the shortest time possible, 6 months at most 1 year, so that if a person is clean, let them be released to serve the nation. But if they are dirty, let them be removed from where they are to go where they ought to be.
Nabakonyi baba kansara Bechi University chitaria chia serikali nigo baganirie amaonchorerio gokorekana asomuroberio bogosira abaorokiwa Bechi University asikerio korengana nabarabo batebire buna owanchereria nigo kwabere gokorekana ase omuroberio yo nigo bayakwana magiga yo gokora omusangirekano oyo babwate ase University ya Kabarak ime yo mucho Nakuru asikere batebire buna omuroberio yo korwa chinga kare nigorenge oyubo bosorenge okorekana asenchera yo bwasyoku ekere korenganiwa nechinga kichabono.
couple will appeal to the government to review the funding model that has been provided. The scholarships have to be given to the public universities. We pray that the president reconsiders this decision so that also those who come to the private universities can access the scholarships, because we have very poor students who choose to come to private universities.
The funding model that was based on DUC, that funding model allowed students to be placed in all universities, public and private included. That, in our view, that model was not discriminatory. The current model is discriminatory in itself because it kind of places the students who have been placed to private university.
Nabarugi baba governor kurwase county isano nebere awase ebikore byo gusarwa kwa bana banyaruka byabere bikoenekiwa ase kirengo kigoro gati ya be county ya Taita Taveta, Marsabit, Kajiado, Narok, county ya Nyamira, Migori, Amonech county chia West Pokot, nigo bachiramo na kocha kogenderia omuroberio bugokora enganeyo. Nigo bono babeire bakorwa amaegerio ase abanyaruka ero kubasemia amabe yogo saro ko mwana munyaruka asibate birebuna omuroberio yo OFGM obeire gokoreta amakongu y'ekingenjo au anene amarwaire nabo koirera abanyaruka banke ko gosego koirera abanyaruka banke kwe gotatwara kinga cyokonyora obwene bwabo nabo igo kinga kichyo kwerera gosego sanga nabamwabo.
The women who take their children for circumcision, and the men also felt that it's the elders who are forcing them to circumcise their children. So there was a blame game, but we are glad that finally we've realized that we have to work together as a community to eliminate this scourge that is hurting us.
Wewe mtoto uko na haki. Watoto unasikia? Serikali iko na njia ya kuwatetea. Na imesema itawasaidia ule mwenye anataka kuwashika kwa nguvu, itamshika na itamfunga jela.
Tumeweza pia kupitisha gender policy kwa sababu tukitafuta jinsi ya kutengeneza FGM ilibidi tuhakikishe pia gender policy.
Mwancho muriyere bono no togoikera omwerio bamaye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge korende nyoromna namange togendrete gukwarganiria ayora chikomira na nere Vincent Onyanja eria kumanya senchera yobwikira nuge koragense ya mona boigo Chinsa isato ekarobara chikobwatra na nere ndemo Stephen korwa sense moye chikosori gendra kubwate miroberiansi ya Ndizi TV asense moya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube tonyorwetra Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter nabo twitwetra @Ndizi TV News serio togendre gusanga nabo igo kwemanyia amange oria twagwatrana nere kwenekia chibicha neryo gichiawe keire nigakorokwa Everlyne Chama nenchiretariane Everlyne Osero twaro burigereri burubya nabo igo emagoroba irentoereru.